drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I cannot believe I am saying this, but we are finally in Nairobi. Oh my God, I am so excited. I am so happy. And of course, very, very thankful for a safe trip. We have been on air for the last 2 days. We started our trip on Sunday and arrived on a Tuesday. And I am telling you, those have been the longest 2 days of my life. But the kids, at least right now, they are a bit bigger. So it wasn't such a stretch, but it was tiring. Traveling for more than 24 hours. Oh my God. But we are home and I just feel so excited. And this is where we are going to be pitching tent for the next few days before we decide what our next move is going to be. I just feel, Yani, my heart is just full. I am just enjoying everything, every little detail, and Nairobi is crazy. Driving in Nairobi is very crazy. Anywho, tonight I am surprising my nanny. I decided to surprise her. I did tell her that we were coming. I just told her, oh, you need to meet with my sister. My mom needs help. So you're going to be going to Shags. This is where my sister is staying. And then she comes and she's like, oh, here is her reaction. It was so funny. She's such a lovely lady. She was just like, you're not fair. You're not fair. But anyway, I had to get her. Yani, this lady, we have kept in touch since we left, and we have just maintained that relationship of ours. It is so amazing to reconnect, and I am so happy that I have her in my life. Yani, I am just blessed. Sausages! Yeah, very. Very. Wacha tukule. We can buy. Hapa hana bodi. Unaleta vitu kina pesa kwa kweli. We are done shopping, and wow, all I can think of was, Yani, what happened to the prices if you compare them to where we left them 2 years, 3 years ago? I was just getting so shocked and so surprised at how expensive things are. And I was like, where is this economy going? Hey, Yani, you're only shopping for essentials and you're spending the amount of money you would spend to buy like a whole month's shopping some years back. Right now, it is nothing.
Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. Your peace surrounds me. Hope is found right where I am now.
Our bodies are so confused, Yani. Mpaka I can't even explain how this jet lag has gotten to me. I thought that I was going to be excluded because, I work night shift. So I was like, okay, my body clock works with like the Kenyan timing. So I would have a hard time adjusting. Shock on me. Yani all of us, we go to sleep at like midnight, 2 a.m. We are awake. So like today we woke up at 2, we go back to sleep at 4, and then now it is like 6 something. So I was just like, there's no even need of telling the kids to go back to sleep. We just wake up and get ready for the day. So we are out and about as usual, driving around Nairobi, and just hey, these boda people walking, yani mtu anavuka tu barabara. Hey, I cannot deal with this. Maybe I can't. So we are fueling the car, and then Habi is going to drive me to go and get my nails done. I was looking for a place in town, but I was like, enyewe sijiski kwenda na mat. With all this craziness, sijiski kwenda na mat. So he's going to drop me at a place around, what is it called? Lana Plaza. That's where I want to get my nails done, and then I will see you guys when I get back home with my new nails.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow.
I feel played. Yani, I went to this place so early in the morning only for them to finish doing my nails at 3 p.m. I was like, I even wrote a review for them. I was like, there's no way you guys can be giving quality service and someone is coming and spending the whole day making their nails. Yet, if I had gone to town, I would have made my nails in like less than 2 hours and I would have been done. They did a good job, sikatai, and the pedicure was definitely much needed, but spending the whole day hapo, tafadhali. Anyway, I am doing laundry because that is what we mamas do. Wherever you are, laundry does not stop, homemaking does not stop. So I am still in mommy mode, and hopefully I will be able to share more content with you guys, more videos with you guys, as we are kind of reliving life in Nairobi. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Moment comes